You know that Shopee is charging fees, and you might also know that Shopee is charging these fees on you. But there were times where Shopee have some system glitches and miscalculated the fees, which is understandable because the system is written by humans. As a seller, if we do not take extra precaution on these figures, we might be getting a big headache when seeing our seller balance become negative after Shopee fixes this miscalculation down the line. Hi, I'm Han from 100 Drawers. In this video, I will share a little about the methods I use to prevent this situation from happening, or at least catch the glitch when it is happening. I am a hobbyist programmer, so the first method I use is to program the Excel to do the calculations for me. For the past year and a half, I've been building up an application using Excel with VBA code to aid me in managing my e-commerce business. So in August 2021, I released a free version of it publicly, hoping to help new sellers or small-scale sellers in managing their shops. The application is called 100 Drawers Ecommerce Manager, and it has become quite a complicated spreadsheet in which I need to do a series of videos just to explain the procedures of operating it. To learn more about the free application, check out the video on the top right corner or through the link in the video description down below. The 100 Drawers e-commerce manager is a huge project and might not be easy for everyone to implement. So I created another spreadsheet and I call it Shopee Fees Calculator. Simple and easy to use is what I have in mind when I'm making this template. So I made it without VBA coding and even make an Excel version and a Google Sheets version. Check them out with the link in the video description. And a friendly reminder, please make a copy of this file to your own drive. Do not ask for permission to edit, please. To use the calculator, download the spreadsheet, open up and update the fees percentage that Shopee is imposing onto your shops. These percentages will be used to calculate the supposed commission fees, service fees, and transaction fees. Then, download the order reports from the Seller Center, preferably download from the To Ship tab. Copy the entire report to this To Ship report sheet. Make sure there is no data here before pasting in the report. Back at the main sheet, all the figures are extracted and calculated automatically. If there are miscalculations from Shopee systems, this calculator will highlight all those errors, showing total count of fees error, and also list out all the order IDs with fees error. I had also prepared a table for all the Shopee fees in the spreadsheet for your reference. I hope this spreadsheet and this video can help you in one way or another. And please give this video a like. Share this video to your friends that are selling on Shopee. Help them in identifying miscalculated fees by Shopee with this easy to use tool. As the making of this video, I am implementing this calculator together with the mass import order function into my 100 Drawers e-commerce manager application. If you see a cut appearing at the top right corner, which means it is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.